In today's battlefield, drone threats are no longer a distant possibility. They are a growing reality. Poland has stepped up with an advanced anti-drone system developed by Gatling Mechanics in Tarnow, combining cutting-edge radar technology with devastating firepower. At the core of this system is a radar developed by Rada Electronic Industries, capable of detecting even the smallest aerial targets. Many drones can be identified from distances beyond 10 kilometers, while nanodrones can still be tracked at ranges of several kilometers. More than just detection, the radar also provides precise targeting data directly to the weapon system. That weapon is the WLKM Gatling gun, a formidable 12.7mm system equipped with 4 rotating barrels. It can fire up to 3,600 rounds per minute, creating an intense barrage. With an effective range of nearly 2 kilometers, it acts as a solid barrier of fire against any approaching threat. To ensure precision, the system is supported by optical cameras, thermal imaging sensors, and laser rangefinders. Once a target is acquired, the system can engage automatically. Operators have 3 operational modes: full manual control, semi-automatic with tracking assistance, or a fully automated mode, while still keeping the final decision under human control. This system goes beyond countering drones. Experts suggest it could function as a short-range air defense solution, capable of securing critical infrastructure like data centers and military installations. It may also be deployed alongside ground forces in combat zones. With further modifications, it could even be installed on smaller naval vessels for close-range maritime defense. This represents a new generation of Poland's defense strategy, compact, aggressive, and ready to eliminate threats from the sky at any moment.